A sample of calcium carbonate has the following percentage composition. Calcium है 40%, carbon 12%, oxygen 48%. According to law of definite proportion, the weight of calcium in 4 gram of sample of calcium carbonate from another source will be, atomic mass given है calcium का 40, carbon का 12, oxygen का 60. Calcium carbonate का formula होता है CaCO3. Now, what is law of definite proportion? According to law of definite proportion, whatever will be the source of calcium carbonate, it will contain the same elements in the same ratio by mass. मतलब ये जो मास का रेशो है कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट में, कैल्शियम, कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन का जो मासेस का रेशो है, इट इज फिक्स्ड. Irrespective of the source of calcium carbonate, the ratio of mass of calcium, carbon and oxygen will be same. For example, water. Whatever is the source of water, tap water, rain water, तो यहाँ पे वाटर में हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन के मास का जो रेशो है वो है 1:8 एंड इट ऑलवेज रिमेन्स सो. तो जो अनदर सोर्स ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट है उसमें से कितने ग्राम कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट लिया है? 4 ग्राम. नाउ इन दिस अनदर सोर्स ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट ऑल्सो percentage of calcium will be 40. This is according to the law of definite proportion. Percentage of calcium जो है वो 40 रहेगा. तो let the weight of calcium be W और given weight of the calcium carbonate is 4 gram. तो यहाँ पे percentage of calcium कितना हो जाएगा? Weight of calcium divided by the weight of the given compound, that is 4 into 100, and this is equal to 40. So from this, weight of calcium is equal to 40 into 4 divided by 100, which is equal to 1.6 gram. So weight of calcium in 4 gram of sample of calcium carbonate from another source is 1.6 gram. In this question, applying the law of definite proportion, percentage of calcium is taken as 40.